In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location shipping to your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to fine-tune your existing operations, setting up shipping locations is crucial to optimize how you dispatch your products from multiple spots. This step-by-step guide will take you through each part of this process, ensuring your customers receive their orders accurately and timely. First, let's navigate to the Shopify admin page for your store. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the home page of your store's dashboard, a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your business. In this tutorial, our focus is on settings related to shipping, so let's dive in. Next, find the settings icon. It's typically situated at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Clicking on settings gives you access to a variety of options where you can tailor your store's operations, including payment methods, checkout process, and shipping configurations, just to name a few. Today, we'll zero in specifically on the shipping and delivery settings. Once in the settings, look for the option titled Shipping and Delivery. Clicking this option takes you to a detailed page where you can oversee your shipping strategies such as rates and policies, helping align with the logistics needs of your business. It's handy for prioritizing efficiency and managing expenses by customizing how you ship products worldwide. Now, within the shipping and delivery page, you'll see several categories. Locate the General Shipping Rates section. This area is pivotal as it determines the baseline shipping protocols for your store. By setting general rates, you establish the default parameters guiding the cost and methods of shipping for your products. After you've clicked into the General Shipping Rates, search for the button labeled Add Locations. Clicking this will open a new dialog that enables you to input additional locations for shipping. This feature is particularly valuable if you have warehouses or storage facilities in different geographical areas. By adding these locations, you can refine your shipping options to better serve diverse sets of customers based on proximity and stock availability. Adding locations is simple, but make sure you have all the necessary information handy, like addresses and contact details, before starting this step. This way, you ensure the new locations are recognized seamlessly within the Shopify system, saving you from logistical hiccups later on. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up shipping locations on Shopify, enhancing your store's capability to manage logistics effectively. This should improve delivery times, reduce shipping costs, and ultimately lead to happier customers. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to better handle your store's operational needs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.